Welcome back, all you wonderful people, to the Normal Guy. Today is a real quick, easy video, something everyone can do. Going to show you how to take the starter motor out of a Yamaha XJ650. Probably pretty similar on a lot of the Yamahas, but real simple. You could do it so fast. You could do it at a stoplight if you wanted to. I don't know why you'd want to. It's not going to stop the bike from running. However, it would stop your buddy from starting it again. So you pull up to a stoplight, you reach over, pull out a starter, and take off. And when he stops for gas, he can't start his bike. So yeah, anyway, super easy, super quick. Anyone can do it. One tool, maybe one or two tools, and you're good to go. So check it out. Here you go. So all you need, your 10mm wrench. This is so easy. A headless Santa Claus could do it. You can do this. You. So, all you need to do, disconnect the power wire right here. Pull that off. Power wire grounds through the casing into the frame. And you have these two bolts right here on the end. Pull them up and then lift it right out. This is the part that connects into the motor, and that's what turns your engine. So easy enough to do. Here we go. Got our 10mm socket here. I'll show you that. And you're gonna turn it and crack that bolt loose. Turn that loose. Second bolt. Yeah. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. What can I say? Alright. Yeah. Throw your wrench on the ground. I won't bore you with needless talking. What is this? 40-50 seconds in. There you go. First bolt is out. Look at that. That's a long bolt. Long bolt on the left. Remember that. I'm going to show you why in a second. Because the right bolt is obviously shorter. So long bolt on the left if you're putting these back in. I don't have a clever thing to say for the right bolt, but now here you can see where the power was connected. Now you're just gonna jiggle this and lift it up and out. You're basically pulling it out. There you go. That's how you pull out your starter. Check it for worn splines, but other than that, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.